QUBT stock analysis, Wednesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all this in this short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. So quantum computing has actually just put in some crazy good numbers. 54% up for the day is just cool, you know, and the way that I'm observing this market is also from this bullish lens. Yeah, like altogether, this is a beautiful win, bro. Like, let me show you the before.
QUBT.
Right, so this video was made 16th of December.
I made a chart, right? 3 weeks ago, this video was made. So all I can do right now is just simply wait. Simple.
And guess what happened when I waited and when I was patient? This thing just completely blew up. If you ask me like what's my next bias on this, I'll definitely still say, although it has already kind of gone up, I'm still looking to take it up and still looking to long this market. Obviously only if the price pulls down, that's that, you know, like if it doesn't pull down and just keeps going up, I mean, it's fine. But I would love to see a pull down so I can at least get like have a great start. And again, this is just me talking because I've done 32,000 videos. Now, if you want to learn the strategy, if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. There is a free newsletter.